Wanna come in with me?
I'll wait here.
Okay. Don't talk to strangers. I got burritos, I got beef jerky. We are all good.
Allow me to make proper introductions to the perfect soldiers. Crybaby. He was weeping as he slaughtered civilians. Cockroach was shot 48 times and survived. This last soldier you will surely be aware of. The butcher. They can see better in the dark. Once they begin killing, they will not stop. They are the human equivalent of a heat-seeking missile.
Remember the character of the onslaught against us.
Where are you going?
Go to your room, get under the bed. Mama needs to get her guns.
What do they want?
The onslaught against us.
They're operating like a military unit.
Onslaught against us. Onslaught. Onslaught. Onslaught against us.
Hey, no, you are not smoking in front of my child.
The onslaught against us.